want to change because you're thinking to yourself, I'm already at rock bottom. All I can do is change me. All I can do is heal me. I don't have time for anybody else, but I need like a baby steps. I need a baby steps. We're talking about changing our lip color, building confidence, one baby step at a time. And changing your lipstick can change your attitude. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, it's Lovely, your infidelity and confidence rebuilding coach. And today we're going to talk about how to change up our looks a little bit. Because whenever betrayal, infidelity happens, we can kind of go into a stage where it can really mess with our mind. Yes, we want to cut our hair off. We want to move to a new state, a new car, get a new degree, spend $50,000. And before you do that, let's what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on over to our friend Shein, the dollar store, the hair store, and we're gonna get a couple different kinds of lipsticks, and we're gonna try those on and see if those help out. Lee, how is lipstick gonna change my mind? It's a mindset. We're changing our mindset, right? We don't need to spend our security deposit. We don't need to spend our safety net. We don't need to spend our savings account to get over somebody, right? That's because that's not what we're doing. We're learning to heal. We're not trying to get over anybody, right? We're trying to build ourselves up. Getting over a person is not the same as building yourself up. Now, you can get over somebody and still be holding on to that baggage, or you could be working on your healing journey and no longer have that baggage. So, since we're not taking baggage with us into any year, any time, any day, any month, any business minute. So I was online on Shein, and I love getting a set like this. Whenever I get a lipstick set like this, my big thought is, okay, so what colors do I love? What colors have I never tried? What colors do I think would look good on me, but I'm scared because I've never worn those colors? And that's the set that I try to go and get, right? Because every color isn't going to be for you. But the whole reason why we're thinking about trying these things is because we're building confidence in ourselves. We're learning to trust our ability to feel free. We're learning to trust our ability to make new decisions for ourselves. And in making new decisions for yourself, lipstick is a great way to do that. One, because it's not permanent. Two, because you have so many different colors. And three, because you can mix and match your colors, right? Because maybe you're a person and you're new to makeup. Maybe you're a person who is advanced in makeup, but just having just a little bit of thought about color theory, the colors that make you feel the most powerful, the most natural, or even just being super bold is a great way to look at it. So we're going to look at these. These are matte lipsticks with lip lacquer moisturizing. So find things that won't break out your skin. I promise you, if you start using a good lip scrub at nighttime to take off the dry layer of skin that sometimes happens, especially in the wintertime or the summertime when the weather's extreme, it will work perfectly for you, and that'll help your lipstick stick as much as possible. So tip number 2, make sure you dry your lips before you put anything on. A lot of us start applying lipstick to wet, super moisturized lips, and then the lipstick won't stay on there because it's adhering to either your lip balm or it's stuck with any moisture that you have on your skin. So that's why we are doing the lip scrubs, because we're making sure that that dead skin is off. So now we have just a nice smooth layer of skin to work with. Okay guys, so I have some witch hazel, I have my lip scrub, and then I have all of my lipsticks. I'm using liquid lipsticks today. Another time we'll do matte lipsticks, we'll do solid lipsticks, but this particular lip scrub, which is made by Lucky Lips, right? Lucky Chicks, not Lucky Lips. I need to talk to myself, really. Okay, so here is what a lip scrub can look like. It smells really good. This is a brown sugar one. And what you want to do, you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot, right? So you're going to put some on your lips. And we're really just God knows it's really good. And you're going to take a paper towel. And you're going to wipe all of that dead skin off. Now, normally you would do this over top of the sink because it can be a bit messy. I'm not even going to lie. It's brown sugar popping out everywhere. But also, because you're trying to get rid of as much dead skin as possible. Now, be careful because you don't want to split your lips. You're just trying to get rid of the dead skin. Now, I'm going to use a little bit of witch hazel. And what I'm trying to do is just really... It sounds crazy. I'm trying to disinfect my lips, right? Because I'm going to try on new lipstick. I want to make sure that I've taken care of any kind of brown sugar still on there. I've taken care of any kind of, like, if I've been coughing or different things like that. I like to make sure that all of my lipstick lasts a long time. And the best way to be able to do that is to make sure that your lips are clean, because our mouths scientifically are dirty. And I don't want to infect the lipstick, like, but you see now it's like drying. So I will put a little bit of lip balm on here. Rub that in really good. See, now the natural lip is nice and even. It's nice and smooth, no dead skin anywhere. That'll also help prevent you from having like that weird butthole look when like the lipstick won't stick into certain parts because it's dead skin in there. That helps. Now we want to just wipe off that lip balm. Now see, now you just got nice lippies that are taken care of. If you wanted to, right now would be a great time to put some lip balm on. You can walk away. You don't even have to think about it. But we're trying lipstick on because we're girly girls and that's what we like to do. Okay, so we're going to try these lipsticks. We are not putting a liner on right now because we're just trying to figure out what color works best for us. One of the downfalls to buying a lipstick from Shein sometimes is that they don't give you a color number or a name, right? But this one just says start from the middle. Make sure you have some cotton balls or cotton pads. Okay. Where you can clean up and make sure that you feel comfortable. So this is color 1. It's a nice look. And there's no residue. So clean up your lips. You see how it matted down so well? And it didn't even do that weird split in the middle because we scrubbed our lips before we started. And the last one is the clear, because maybe you're just a lip gloss girly and that's all you interested in, right? And that's cool. Like, the cool thing about all of these changes is that if you love who you are, there's no reason to change for other people. Like, you're not changing your lipstick for other people. You're not rebuilding your life for other people. You're not recreating your job or your career for other people. You aren't transitioning for other people. You aren't pivoting for other people. You're pivoting for yourself, right? So like, you in all your glory, who you are, who God made you to be, is beautiful. But it's also okay to say, hey, I want to do something just a little bit different. And that's where lipsticks kick in. So I loved all the colors. I was like a little bit shocked because those pinkies was really coming in handy. They had a lot of orange undertones. I love watching people figure out what undertones work well for them. Look up your skin complexion and then see what kind of undertones that you have, because that's the best way to match your lipsticks or your makeup. It's just a good tip to know overall. But tell me which lipstick you like the most. I know we don't know what we're going to call them. So we're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear is number 10. That's what we're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's what we're going to have to do. Which lipstick color do you feel would look really good on you? Remember, we are learning how to articulate our feelings, wants, needs, and desires so that we can better advocate for ourselves and the people that we love. Be good, guys. Bye.